Hello, my name is Kelly McCown. I'm the teacher, author, and owner of Teaching Math and More LLC. Today on the Teaching Math and More channel, we are talking about how to simplify your math lessons with tips, strategies, and resources to develop a classroom plan to meet the needs of all your students. The purpose of this video is to help you, the math teacher, learn how to help your students achieve success in math with these tips. Grab the Simplify Your Math Class notes. This is a 5-part video series on how to simplify your math class. Each quick 6-minute video will give you tips, strategies, and resources to develop a classroom plan to meet the needs of all your students. Learn how to help your students achieve success in math class this year. Today we're on page 10, titled Video Notes 5. The link for the notes is in the description of this video. Simplifying is defined as making something less complex or complicated. Does the phrase "turn in your lesson plans" give you stress or anxiety? Lesson plans can become too complicated when we let them, and it's hard to navigate how to do this. But what if there was a way to make our lesson plans easier for us to manage? It doesn't have to be stressful or overwhelming. There are so many things you can do, but there's only one you. So let's simplify things today and look at 5 things to help you simplify your math lesson plans now. Number 1, morning work, math warm-ups, or bell work, whatever you want to call it, should be completed within the first 5 minutes or less of class. It's just a warm-up, just one word problem. Make it simple so that when your kids see the problem, they know how to do it, and you can take attendance or do whatever you need to do within the first 5 minutes of class. I'm sharing my set of math warm-ups with you. Included are 180 prompts for the entire school year. So there's 180 word problems that kids solve on their own. You can go over the answer as a class and then collect the warm-ups for a classwork grade like 10 out of 10 points every 2 weeks or 10 class days. The link to the warm-ups is in the description of this video. Number 2, model taking notes with your students. Explain what students should be writing and show them how to write in their notebooks. Explain and model new math procedures using the proper math vocabulary. Make them simple for your students to understand and to do daily in your classroom. Do not stress over the smallest details, but rather tell your students that these are their notes in their math notebooks, and they need to be able to read it and understand it, because ultimately these are their notes, not your notes. So they need to understand what they're writing in their notebooks. Also, you can add a vocabulary section to the interactive notebook, or you can use a separate notebook just for vocabulary. This is a very important part of your classwork. You can get the math notebook activities in the description of this video. Number 3, classwork. It's work that is done in class for a completion grade or a benchmark proficiency grade. Examples are worksheets, activities, math stations, math centers, math card sorts, math games, math projects. So classwork should be done in class. If there isn't enough time, allow your students another class day to complete it in class, or you can assign it as homework to be finished before the next class day. Number 4, exit slip. The best way to gather information with an informal assessment. This is not for a grade. I repeat, this is not for a grade. This is a ticket out the door. So you don't have to do this every day. Some days it's nice to check and see if the kids understand. 4 levels of understanding are mastery, proficiency, needs help, and 0, complete, no understanding. Students must write their answers and show work on their exit slips to leave your classroom. This, again, it's not for accuracy, rather proficiency. Can they solve the problem? And exit slips show if they know how to solve the problem. You can grab the exit slips today. The link's in the description of this video. Number 5, math lesson plans that are perfect for grades 3 through 8. Are you ready to jumpstart your planning? Well, I have here for you math lesson plans done for you. Included is a content calendar with what to teach, when to teach it, and ideas for how to teach it. You'll get a quarterly sequence, weekly sequence checklist, calendar pacing guide, big ideas, and quarterly activities list. You can grab this in the description of this video. On page 18, 19, and 20 in your video notes, you have the math lesson planner. This is in your video notes. Included is an example schedule for print and digital, easy to use, so grab yours on page 18, 19, and 20 today. There is a solution to the problem of how to simplify your math lesson plans. Try learning tips to simplify and manage your lesson plans so that it's easier for you to complete in less time. You can plan for increased student learning gains and performance when you use these simplified math classroom tips. Are you ready to simplify your math lessons? The Back to School Math Workshop is the fastest way to do that. A workshop on math stations, math vocabulary, classroom management, math chats, and math intervention. Be ready for this school year with the best tools. Sign up today. The link is available in the comments below this video. For more information about the Back to School Math Workshop, be sure to sign up for our VIP teacher emails. This concludes the Simplify Your Math Class series. Thank you for watching. Be sure that you go back and like your favorite videos in this series, and you can rewatch it as many times as you want. All the videos are in the series Simplify Your Math Class. Thank you for subscribing to our channel, and we'll see you next time.